Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Shepalle and I'm a trademark attorney. I help entrepreneurs legally protect their brands, business, and creative content. And in this video, I'm giving you guys 9 reasons why you should trademark your brand. So let's get into the video. The first reason why you should trademark your brand is because trademarks are valuable assets. Trademarks appreciate in value over time, and this increases the value of your overall business. The more your brand reputation grows, the more valuable your trademark becomes. So think about Amazon, for example. When Amazon was first created, their trademark probably wasn't worth any money. It probably was worth pennies, right? But as time went on and as, Amazon grew, it began to increase in value. Now I'm sure it's worth like billions of dollars, right? Same thing with Apple. When Apple first started, probably wasn't worth anything. But now if you sell that name Apple or that logo of that Apple, it's gonna be worth some money. Even think about Louis Vuitton. When we buy a $2,000 Louis Vuitton bag, you're buying the name. If the bag didn't have Louis Vuitton on it and it didn't have any brand name on it, you wouldn't be spending $2,000 for it. So you're really paying for the trademark. You're paying for the name because that brand reputation has been built. That's how it works. So the better the reputation is of your brand, the more valuable your trademark becomes, the more you can sell it for, the more it's worth if you want to pass it down to your children, and so on and so forth. So that is the first reason why you should trademark your brand. The second reason why you should trademark your brand is because it ensures that you are not infringing on anyone else's trademark. When you register your trademark, the USPTO is not going to let you register a trademark that's already registered because it will be infringement. Also, you can't register trademarks that are similar to another trademark. So registering your trademark helps you to know that you're not infringing on anyone else's trademark or anyone else's brand so that you don't get sued. When you infringe on someone's trademark, you can be sued and have to pay them a lot of money. You have to pay them money. You can have to give them up all the profits that you made when you were using that name. It will also make you have to rebrand, change your business name, and this can ultimately result in you losing clients because they won't know how to find you anymore because they don't really know or they aren't really familiar with the new name that you had to change over to. So it could just really be a disaster. It could also make you have to change your packaging, create a new website, and invest even more money after you've already invested a lot of money and after you've already had to pay out a lot of money for this infringement. So it really just is great to be comfortably using a name or a trademark and knowing that it's not something that is already someone else's and that you are not infringing on someone else's rights and that you won't be sued. Number 3 is that it helps you to make sure that no one else can register a similar mark. So the United States Patent and Trademark Office, the USPTO, they have a duty to not register any marks that are confusingly similar to an already registered trademark. So this just kind of helps to make sure that no one out there is registering a trademark or copycats are not trying to create a very similar name to yours, because this happens a lot where someone will see a really good name and then they try and add one extra thing onto it to try and make it different, but really it's still too similar. The USPTO makes sure that that does not happen and helps to stop other copycat people from registering trademarks and from completely just infringing on your brand. So that is number 3. Number 4 is that having a registered trademark allows you to file a takedown notice to social media platforms, and the social media platforms actually listen and take down the infringing content. It's very hard to get a social media platform to remove content without having a trademark certificate. I don't know why. Maybe they just feel like it's a waste of time because you might not have rights. But if you do have that trademark certificate, then social media platforms will remove the infringing content. And typically the infringer will have to try and appeal it. But again, if you have that certificate, there's really no appealing to be done because it's your trademark. So, and this only applies to if someone is actually using it in an infringing way. Everything is not infringement, but if they're using it to try and make profits off of your trademark, then that will be infringement, and you can file that takedown notice, and the social media platform will more than likely take it down. So having that registered trademark is really the only way to get them to cooperate with you. Number 5 is that it gives you the right to use the circle R symbol. So before you have a trademark, or once you file the application, you can use the TM symbol, but you cannot use that registered symbol. You are unable to use a registered symbol until you have the actual trademark. So registering your trademark allows you to use that R symbol. Number 6 is that a trademark grants you the right to sue in federal court and recover money damages, honey. The trademark is your proof that you own the trademark, that you started using it first. And so if someone else is infringing upon those rights, you can sue them. They'll have to pay you. You can also make them hand over all of the infringing products, and you can destroy it. You can also make them have to pay you all of the profits that they made using the trademark. There's so many things that you can ask for. Of course, you have to win in order to get it, but there's so many opportunities to get paid and to stop people from using your name and to stop copycats when you have that registered trademark. Number 7 is that it gives you the right to register with Customs and Border Patrol so that infringing goods won't be imported into the United States. So we know that China and wherever else likes to infringe or copy or make knockoff products of someone's trademark things. Like there's so much knockoff of Louis Vuitton and things like that. Well, it gives you the chance to be able to register your trademark so that if the Border Patrol sees this, they can confiscate it, stop it from happening, so that there's not a lot of importation of your goods. And number 9 is that a trademark can be passed down from generation and generation and generation to come. So you can pass the trademark down to your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, and so on and so forth. When you file your trademark application, it's yours forever, as long as you continue to renew it. So between the 5th and 6th year, there's going to be a renewal date where you have to renew your trademark. And then every 10 years after that, you have to renew your trademark. As long as you're using it in commerce the way that you say on your application you are doing, and as long as you continue to renew it, you will have that trademark and you can continue to pass it on throughout your family. So those are my 9 reasons why you should trademark your brand. I hope those were clear and I hope those were helpful. And I hope now you're ready to register a trademark. And if you're ready to register that trademark, go to my website and schedule your trademark consultation so we can get the process started. And if you loved this video, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share it with all of your friends that may be considering getting a trademark but don't understand why they need one. Share it with those friends especially. And I will see you guys. Oh, make sure y'all subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.